Sometimes satu masa dulu, kita ada buat drama yang bercorak macam silat tu terbang sana terbang sini. Okay, actually dia boleh. Masyarakat sudah ada lebih daripada itu. Okay. Bila masyarakat boleh masuk dalam tanah, keluar pergi tempat lain. Kita juga boleh daripada sini sampai ke gunung, sampai ke ujung, ujung dahan pokok pisang pun pernah kita dengar. I just biasanya orang akan angkat jangan. Normally people will catch only the first. But in with training, the second can be that can change tangkap. Instead of kicking, tangkap, change tangkap. Dan sudah tangkap kan? In a second, you can change every second.
Yeah. But I see. You can really see.
And then change. In a second, you can change. But the word is automatic. Slowly.
Ini the point lah.
Normal.
Yeah, that's about my. Yep.
So now you you try this here. If I punch, you go. You just continue. Bila dah dalam, when you enter, this normal style.
Yeah.
Okay.
You only use what you say. I know they have figure how it form, how it he don't move. He don't set in this position. But in actual ideal is in command. But in White House Singapore, when people make a move, he just. But he is in the position of the command. But in a different form, in the free motion form, no attachment form. But if you ask the Aikido school to demo you, a movement is quite hard. Unless he go like he use that landing.
Kecuali dia boleh menerima, dia ada undang-undang dia. Okay, in my event last time, I'm a world champion. So I fight with many kind of martial art, Hong Muay, Thai boxing, kickboxer, Kung Fu, karate. I have to fight. But the first thing when you enter to silat event, the first one you have move like move silat movement. You must this. But saya kena rosakkan dulu pergerakan silat mereka supaya mereka boleh pergi pada original. Kalau dia daripada kickboxer, dia buka kickboxer.
Bagi dia nampak dia.
Kalau dia daripada karate, dia tunjukkan karate. So I have to break dia punya silat movement. Baru saya boleh enter. If kalau dia dalam move
Pasung lah.
silat mode very difficult to find. And I have to change their mind. Okay, before this, what we learn? Karate, taekwondo. So, destroy their mode, silat mode, and go to original.
Yeah.
And then, that
Very easy.
is very easy to me.
Like breaking.
Tak apalah, contoh.
Oh, okay.
The first, macam mana you nak serang saya?
Saya takkan dia di dalam kota.
Apa dia?
Saya di dalam kota.
Contoh, soal
Oh, ada.
Sebut. Dia
Ini nak gambar.
Kan? Ada tak? Okay. So, contoh, tengok. Simple saja, simple.
Basic attack.
Contoh, can move. Okay, contoh. Oh, itu. Dia masuk saja, you serang. Masuk saja, you serang macam mana? Nak serang macam mana? Faham? Okay, I move from there. Okay. Then you pukul atas. So, nanti boleh kena gerak. Okay, you pukul atas, betul you pukul bawah lagi. Bawah.
Feet. Down.
Macam saya itu, kita buat. Boleh.
Sampai bawah.
Nanti mana nak buat.
Betul tak? Lebih kurang begitu lah. Dia punya gaya. Kan? So, itu penampilan silat dan juga penampilan dia. Kenapa? Tapi kalau kita against betul-betul, memang tak boleh. Basic me, I won't go that close.
How I put it, man? But this moment is different. Okay, we go kick, we go elbow, then pointing already. The Mawai, the Mawai. And then for the old people, the senior master will see how we approach, and then I cover my, before I enter, I cover my body around. And then, is it I'm going back or not? Is it I like holding, come. I show my, I don't get it. Because this is the ethics. Because it's competition with special. I call.
Without talking.
This is something like a provoke. So it's provoke. You see, in China, all this sport is a competition. Racial everything. It's not only like they know. Every what you do, every move to the mind is a competition. And then even I'm always perfect. You see. How you approach, what you give, what you start to say. It is first point that I'm tired. How I'm going to tell him, no, finish now. I'm going to apply, they tell him, enough, stop. And I go. We stop there, wait. So we have the work. Okay, we arrange, we partner, we arrange, what to work. Come to body now, I forgot. I can't think no, we need to one by. So I pay. Then here I just say, oh, one by, okay, then we pay one by, we pull out the body now. Whatever, fully. Maybe I forgot the technique of the second one. I go to the third one, it's something like that. Then it's still like, then I see as Macha predicted that in the world, even also English. But in India also can use you understand? Sebab kita nak cakap semua sama. Everything. Kita sama. Kita boleh tunjuk. Nanti tak boleh in the Southern Bar, the wiki means all the application outer wiki means the position of how you apply the exercise to the stroke. For instance, the stroke. People like, and it's from here we take. Does all people will understand in this position what we do? Because they have a story on it. For instance, I find, then I take like that, and then go down, and then I go, and then I take like that, and then come back, and then I go, and then I show. I want. I have. I need to, yeah. It's only a shadow movement. But for a Malay culture, this is very high level. It's only meant for the senior level. It's not for the junior level.
This is a real weapon.
Hidden technique.
This technique is a real weapon
In Silat.
in Silat.
Because this is a very seldom we show in the public unless occasion wedding, a certain family that a very close one, the senior master will perform, and he can be a different school. They will understand.
Same thing in Silat. Selambang,
They have.
same thing.
You cannot do the leg in different way.
No.